Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video is going to be another day in the life. It's very simple. One of the first things I love to do is actually open up the blinds or the windows. I just love a lot of natural light or a lot of sunshine in my home. After this, I'm gonna go straight to the kitchen and actually I'm going to make myself a berry smoothie. The berry smoothie I am going to prepare has strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. I'm also going to add some milk to this, and there's no need to add some ice because these berries are already frozen. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of raw honey. I am going to add a teaspoon of chia seeds, and I'm also going to add a little bit of oatmeal. And now for the best part, let's start blending. I have been super obsessed with this smoothie. I probably make it every day. It's so delicious. I hope you guys make this at home and give it a try. Now guys, the most amazing thing that happens here once a week is a laundry day. Yay! It's not really doing the laundry, it's actually just folding it and putting it back. So right now I am going to do the bed sheets. So my apartment actually doesn't have a washer or dryer. You have to go to a different facility and it's such a hassle going back and forth. So if you guys are one of the lucky ones with the washer and dryer, be thankful, grateful, because this girl really needs a washer and dryer right here, right now. And once you think you're done, don't forget the towels. So this is how my linen closet is looking. It's nothing glamorous. I just have my towels that I just folded up here. I have a hand towel for the bathroom. I have some fabric softener here, you know guys, because the snuggle is real. I have more pillow shams here, a new shower curtain that I haven't put up, I don't know why. I have the plastic shower liners here, or shower curtains. And oh, I actually got these for Lady. I usually give her one toy separated because she destroys them, obviously. These are great for small dogs, and this is in the brand of Bark. I love all her toys from there. These are so cute. It's a cute little fishy, and then there's a yellow one, and right now she's currently using the red one, and it's actually one of her favorite ones. She actually had a banana one, and that one's so adorable too. Up here I have Bath and Body Works candles. I got this one last year. Look at the packaging, it's so cute. And this one is 'Tis the Season. I actually have a lot more. Like this one is, oh my god, my favorite out of all right now. This one's a Holly Jolly, and I love the packaging on this, so adorable. And I have my beach towels here, and I have my dish towels all the way up here. And guys, I actually have more than that, but they're under my kitchen sink. And that's it. I mean, and then just photos way up there, and a Halloween blanket. See, this is the red little fish, and she is obsessed. You want it? You want it? So if you guys saw my last video, it's kind of a day in the life, kind of like this one. And Lady really loves to look outside. I mean, I just took her for a walk too earlier in the morning, but she just loves looking outside. She likes seeing the leaves fall, and usually we always see dogs walking with their... You like looking outside, Mama? Lady, you're so cute. She's scruffy. She needs to get groomed. Okay guys, so I just got back. I went to the grocery stores and I ended up getting a few stuff that I needed. Of course, fruit. I just love fruit. So I got a pineapple, some blueberries. These were on sale. These were $2.98. I just love blueberries. Also got some avocados, onions, some plantains that my husband loves. And honestly, I really don't like eating these, but he loves them. Another pineapple, and this one's ripe, so I feel like cutting this one, and I don't know if I should do another agua fresca or just have it for snacking. Some eggs, and one of my favorite breads. This has been so good. Any sandwiches, even with avocado toast. This one's from the brand of Dave's Killer Bread. This one's the 21 whole grains and seeds. And let me tell you guys, this is so good. So good. I'm actually going to make a sandwich today. So, and that's it. Oh, and milk, but that's already in the fridge. So right here in Cali, it's getting very warm, very hot. It's 97 today, and I'm not in the mood to actually cook. So I'm going to make myself a sandwich. That is it with the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, just remember to give this video a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You could also follow me on Instagram under the name of Chapa Jazz. And with all that said, have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.